Hello everyone, today we will learn about how to upload our PDF to the Google form from our phone. Go to that event detail PDF of Abhivyakti, then go to that event which you are participating, like I am going. Then in all events there is event detail link. You have to click that link for knowing more details about your event. See, here are rules of your events, how the judging will be there, what is the theme of yours, what, when, and what to submit, how to submit. These all things are there. Here are standard wise Google Forms. If you are in 3rd to 5th, you have to go on this Google form. If you are in 6th to 8th, go in this Google form. If you are in 9 to 12, go in this Google form. Like I am going. And remember that if you do not have the email ID, please make one email ID for you so that you can sign in. Because so that our work will be given to the teacher. And here you have to fill your basic details like I am, and here you have to add your file. Select files from your device. You have to select your files from your device, and here you can see the option of files. We have to click that, and our all files from our phone will come here. We have to upload our one file of our work like I am doing, and our file is here. Click on the upload and our file will be uploaded.